Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Sky Networks in Lecture 3. Today I will tell you how to install Windows feature DHCP, DNS or Active Directory domain services through PowerShell. So we will go our domain controller. I make it big and we will open here PowerShell. Okay. We can check here also. We can add a role and feature from here also, and you can see the list here. You didn't found any DHCP server here, so I will now going to install DHCP from the PowerShell. Okay, I will write install window feature DHCP and simply press enter. Now this is collecting data and starting installation. It will take some time to install DHCP in our server. DHCP server installed successfully. We can check from here. It will not show here and also not shows up here. Why? Because we didn't install the management tool for the DHCP. So see DHCP appear here, but we cannot found in tools. Here we didn't found in DHCP. So what we do? We will go again PowerShell and write same command install Windows feature and then include management tools. Now when we install the management tool, it will show this is installed successfully. We go again there and in tools you can see DHCP is here. From PowerShell we can also remove our DHCP and we can install it again from the add and our dashboard. See, here is warning. You must restart this server to finish the removal tool. So for reboot our server, the command is shut shutdown and -r. This is going. We can reboot our server. So now our server is going to reboot. It will take some time. Our server is now going to reboot. Now our server is rebooting and we will install our DHCP server from the add and role features from our dashboard of server. Server manager is open. We will check in our tools. Now DHCP still is here because we just remove the DHCP and DHCP tool. Not deleted. So we will go again, open PowerShell and right here check again in tool. This is successfully uninstalled, and see here is DHCP no more available here now. So we are going to add role and feature, and we will go by next, role based feature installation, next, and next, and from here we will select DHCP, remote server administration tools, role administration tool, DHCP server tools, all feature added automatically. Okay, and we will go by next and next. Install. Now our DHCP server, from the add role and feature wizard installed. There are two methods we can we can install our DHCP server through PowerShell or through the dashboard. It is complete DHCP server. Now we are going to close. Here it's appear DHCP, and in tools also it will appear again. Later we will configure it. Last lecture I install the we promote our domain controller. So now we are going to join our workstation or user in a user computer in a domain. For that one we will go in tools and Active Directory and users. Joining a domain for the users, you have to do 3 steps. 1 in domain and 2 in the workstation. So first we create user here, user tab. We can simply create user here, and user create I will write that is u1 u.1 next and password. User must change the password at the next login. We will uncheck this one and create next and finish. Now our user created successfully. We will open our workstation here. Before joining the workstation, the domain, we have to assign the system a static IP. So we will go in properties, internet protocol version, TCP IP for properties, and we will assign a static IP 192.168. In DNS tab we must enter our domain IP address, that is also our DNS 608.6.40, and okay, close. We will go properties, and now I am going to change work group to domain, and our domain name is the skynetworks.com. Okay, here is administrator, user or username and password. Welcome to the skynetworks.com domain. Now our computer joined domain successfully. Restart now. The system is going to reboot. We will log in with new user that we created on our domain. So here our system is boot up. We change the user and that is u.1 and our password. First time it will show preparing your desktop when you log in your new workstation, new system. Computer is okay. We will go on properties. See, this is in the domain the skynetworks.com. Successfully join our system with the domain. Thanks for watching us, the Sky Networks. Like us, subscribe us, share with your friend.